In today's video, I'm going to teach you what are deal stages on Keap. In Keap, deal stages represent the different steps a potential customer moves through before becoming a paying customer. They give you a clear visual way to track where each opportunity stands in your sales process, so you can stay organized and know what action should happen next. Once you log into your Keap account, you may notice that there are several pipeline templates available, each designed for a different business need. For example, the default pipeline is a general-purpose option for basic sales tracking. The sales pipeline is built for standard selling processes with common sales milestones. The service business sales pipeline is better suited for businesses that sell services and need to manage consultations or service-based follow-up. And the digital marketing agency pipeline is designed for agencies that guide leads through calls, proposals, and onboarding. From there, go to Pipelines. In this example, select the Digital Marketing Agency Sales Pipeline, then click View Pipeline. You'll now be able to see the deal stages that make up this particular sales process. The first stage is New Lead. This is where a contact enters the pipeline for the first time. At this point, they've shown initial interest, but you may not yet know if they're a good fit. Next is Lead Qualified. This stage means the lead has been reviewed and appears to match your ideal customer profile, so it makes sense to continue the conversation. After that is Discovery Call Scheduled. This tells you that a meeting has been booked to learn more about the prospect's needs, goals, and challenges. Then you have Discovery Call Completed. This means the conversation has already happened, and you now have enough information to decide on the next step. The proposal sent stage is used when you've delivered an offer, quote, or scope of work for the prospect to review. Next is Negotiation. This stage is for deals that are still active, but where pricing, terms, timing, or services are being discussed before a final decision is made. 1. Client Onboarding means the deal has been successfully closed, and the person is now becoming a client. At this stage, the focus shifts from selling to getting them started smoothly. The Lost stage is for opportunities that did not move forward. Keeping these marked correctly helps keep your pipeline accurate and useful. If you need to add a new stage, click Add a Stage, type in the stage name, and then click Save. One best practice to keep in mind is to create stages based on meaningful changes in the customer's buying journey, instead of adding too many small steps. In most cases, a simple pipeline with 5 to 7 stages is easier to manage and more effective. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.